So today we are at the Tysons-Piment Regional Library. We are having an author event, Meet the Author, Gloria Edim. Gloria Edim is the founder of Well Read Black Girl, online community and book discussion group. And she has a new memoir out called Gather Me, a memoir in praise of the books that saved me.
Books have been my ladder, my stepping stone, my therapist, my teacher, my medicine, my parents, my religion, my lover, my fool, my instructional manual for life.
Gather Me is my memoir, and I've written 2 other books before that. Those 2 books are more anthologies. This was more vulnerable. Writing about my life story, my connection to books, allowed me to go to a different place. I had to really open up about my life, talk about my parents, my experience reading in schools, my favorite teachers, all the books that really helped shape my trajectory. So it was harder, and it was something that allowed me to open up more and be more vulnerable and show how books can really change your life completely and offer collective healing. I hope when people read Gather Me, they feel seen, inspired, empowered to tell their own stories and really trust their own voice.
It's great to be elevating Black voices during Black History Month and to be talking about the importance of representation, the importance of reading about people who look like you, the importance of elevating those voices. And so I just came because I wanted to hear the talk. I thought she did a great job. I thought it was a really great talk as well. It was timely because one of her books has recently been banned. And the fact of the matter is that that's a terrible thing that has happened. It wasn't banned by Fairfax County. I like to note that. But it's incredibly important that we support the arts, that we support literary arts, that we support reading, that we support the free exchange of ideas in our community. And I found that libraries have been a really great place where everybody has access to those ideas.
By showing up in these spaces and ensuring that people in your community understand and revere the importance of ideas, the importance of books, the importance of diversity, you make it a hell of a lot easier for people like me to make sure that we never ban any books in Fairfax County.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Books have always been a space of creativity, promise, possibility. Whenever I'm reading something, I just feel like I can do anything, and there's a model for it in a book that I read.
These events reflect our community. They allow readers to engage with authors that they're reading, especially authors like Gloria, who are from this area, so there's that special connection there. It just brings people together as a community on Black History Month, so I think the library is a great place to do that. If people want to learn more about the great events that are going on at the library, you can go to Fairfax County Public Library's website, follow us on social media, or just stop into your local branch. There's events happening all the time at the library.